I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in to e-bike adventures, where I talk about everything related to e-bike and how to make money on the side with your e-bike as well. Today I'm gonna do a quick review about my e-bike, the Emmo Knight. Now, the first thing I wanted to talk about the e-bike is the price. On their website in Toronto, Canada, these e-bikes are going for $21.99 for the gel sealed lead acid battery, and the other for the lithium battery it's going for $37.98, which is really expensive. When I bought this e-bike, I only paid $1,000 Canadian for it because I bought it second hand and no tax. One of the things about buying it second hand is the battery life is reduced drastically. According to the website, these bikes have a range of 60 kilometers in full charge, but mine in full charge it can only go approximately 30 kilometer. The batteries that came with my e-bike is the sealed lead acid battery, which compared to the lithium batteries has lower range and lower life expectancy. But for the work that I do recently, which is Uber Eats, it meets the standard, and it's pretty good so far. Now the top speed of this e-bike is 60 kilometer per hour on a day without any wind, and with the wind resistance it can go up to 55 kilometer per hour on a full charge, which is very fast and impressive compared to a lot other e-bikes which are limited to 32 kilometers per hour. The disc brakes of this e-bike are performing quite well so far. Even after putting almost 7,000 kilometer, they still seems to stop the e-bike or slow it down in a relatively short period of time. Even when it in riding in snow or rain, they're performing quite well. The charger of this e-bike is really simple. It comes with your standard 3-pin plug. You can hook it up to your standard 120 volt socket, and the other end of the plug goes inside where the fuel tank should be on a regular motorcycle. There's just storage inside it, and as shown in the video, when you open it up you'll see the plug right away. Now that you have seen the basics of this e-bike, let's go for a quick ride. now that you guys have seen the review, if you're planning to buy one of these bikes, I would highly recommend it because you can easily use it to get from point A to B and make a lot of extra money doing Uber Eats or Foodora. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. And on my next video, I would talk about how to make a lot of money doing Uber Eats using this particular type of e-bike. Thank you for watching.